Sam Godsall here from Sydney Rapid Removals. Just completed our move for Brett today. We've just moved him from Newcastle down to Sydney. Everything went well, I hope.
Perfect.
Beautiful. Jobs are good.
The cost, how much per hour?
Ini truk bisa menampung 80 ton.
Jadi mereka langsung susun barang-barangnya. Ketemu lagi bersama saya Tewati. Lagi bisu.
Start again.
Hai semuanya, ketemu lagi bersama saya Tewati dan
Start again.
Okay,
Okay, this time for real.
halo semuanya, ketemu lagi bersama saya Tewati. Orang gila.
Kamu gila.
You gila. Oke. And shoot nih. Lagi gila ini. Jadi hari ini kita pindahan. Ada 2 orang mover. Jadi
Removalist.
removerlist.
Removalist.
Jadi ada 2 orang yang angkat-angkat barang kita. Kita cuma duduk manis. Sekarang mereka udah start angkat-angkat barang ya. Oke, ikutin terus ya keseruan kita pindahan rumah dari Newcastle ke Sydney. Stay tuned.
How far? You gotta tell them how far it is.
They know already.
No, they don't know.
Dari Newcastle ke Sydney sekitar 2,5 jam, 2.5 hours.
Yeah.
Jadi kita mau pindah ke kota. Aku suka di kota. Oke.
2.5 hours of what the sleeping again in the car.
Okay, stay tuned.
Bye bye.
What?
So if
We'll do a little
no.
casual
You
nice
get in there. I'll take the
No,
photo.
I asked them.
Introduce yourself. Yeah, okay.
Yeah.
Sam Godsall here from Sydney Rapid Removals. Just completed our move for Brett today. We've just moved him from Newcastle down to Sydney. Everything went well, I hope.
Perfect.
Beautiful. Jobs are good.
So I will write down in description box your company.
Yeah.
Maybe someone interesting.
Yes.
And then the cost, how much per hour?
Yeah, $130 per hour.
Oh, very good. This is very recommend this very nice. They are very good.
yeah, you're very happy
Thank
to
you
be
very
helping
much
all
for
day.
your help.
Thank you. It's been our pleasure.
Yeah, thank you.
Jadi karena mereka kerja selama 13 jam dikali 130 per jam, jadi semuanya 1.690. Mahal kan?
Sekali ngangkat berapa box? Halo. Sekali ngangkat 4 box. I asked Lina, is it strong because so heavy? Lina said, Daniel always doing gym.
I go to the gym every day.
Yeah, Lina said, you very strong.
Gym every day before work.
See, gym every day, listen.
He's probably got a nice wife. He wants to look good for her. That's like you.
You're so mean. He's so mean. Oke, jadi ini
I used to do it back in the old days.
ini truknya gede banget. Tuh, gede banget truknya. Ya, rapi banget. Kira banyak banget ini barang. Tapi jadinya rapi sekali. I'm talking ya.
Leave him alone.
Look, so tight.
That down with some of the other
Here we go, 2 strong men. Carry all the stuff.
Yeah.
Oke, sekarang we on the way to Sydney. Yay, Sydney, we are coming. Stay tuned. Oke, di depan kita lihat trapnya ya. terminal, kita udah langsung dekat ke tempat baru kita. Here we go. How long from tunnel?
We're almost home.
Almost 6 minutes. Okay. Welcome to Sydney. Our new place, new adventure, environment, and new life begin.
What? No, your new life began when you moved to Australia. What the heck?
No, because in Newcastle we have sadness. No,
No, we didn't have sadness.
yes, we lost our baby.
Don't be sad.
So, hopefully in Sydney we get another one.
I think I can see our building
Where?
in front of us.
Which one?
1, 2, 3, down the road. The tall one down there.
Okay. Oh yeah. Behind AGM.
Yeah.
Okay. Oops. Jadi kontrakan kita yang baru itu,
Yeah, that's that one.
oke, itu udah kelihatan tuh yang tinggi itu. Tuh. Where is my? Hah? Oh iya kan. Tuh, nah. Tuh yang atasnya coklat itu tuh. Nah, itu dia. Jadi kontrakan kita yang baru itu benar-benar dekat pusat kota ya. Cuma 10 menit ke city. Here we go. Welcome. Oke, ini tempat baru kita. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum. Truk yang bawa barang-barang kita udah sampai. Panas. Mau angkatin barang-barang. Baik-baik banget. Jadi kalau mau pakai jasa mereka, nanti saya tulis ya di description box.
We're on the floor here, guys. Just watch out if you slip anywhere.
Jadi mereka
Go on, follow them down.
no.
We're just at the end of the bed.
Ini benar-benar bagus banget. Mereka
Baby, you can put the wheels on.
that's not my job.
She's filming.
Jadi mereka langsung susun barang-barangnya kemana kita mau. Bagus banget, murah. Ada tamu agung.
Let's put it against the couch for now. Right, we'll take these down. Is that one coming down with us? Or?
No, that can
Stay up here.
We're claiming that. You can get 5, you can get 10 in a go. That's perfect. Most you are going to get 3 on a dolly, so
Yeah.
you get 2 more extra trips.
Especially when, yeah, especially when if things are packed properly, that's the normally takes up the most space.
Exactly.
Oke, jadi sekarang kita udah di kontrakan baru. Tinggal unpacking. Ini this your job, right?
Yeah, this one's your job. This is clothes.
Akhirnya sudah semua. Tuh, tinggal barang-barangnya si Endut. Nah, jadi ini box bekas ini bisa dijual ya. Lumayan $50. How much when you buy all the box before?
None of your business.
Sekarang dijual cuma laku $50. Lumayan, 500.000. Belinya dulu mahal. banget kontrakan lama kita itu. Itu dia. Ya. Kamarnya ada ininya, iya aku bisa rendam. Dasar katro ya. Balkoninya cuma satu, cuma segini.